In the last video, we already talked about really basic stuff or the interface of Revit. So now we're going to talk a little bit details on how we can use the properties palette and the project browser to do something to a existing model. So in this exercise, you can just use the file that I sent you. So you can see the name of the file right over here, right? So this is the file you're going to use for this exercise if you try to practice along. First of all, we are going to see how we can use properties palette to change some model elements. So if you open this model, you should be able to see this structure. So if we would like to change the roof of this model, all right, you just click that, and under the properties palette, something should be changed right away, right? So you can see the properties associated with this roof. It is a basic roof, and if you want to change something or a different types of roof, we can do it through properties palette. So in this exercise, let's change the roof to a different type, which is a warm roof timber. Click the drop down and select warm roof timber. So it takes a little bit of time to update. At this point, if you click that your cursor away, so you can see the appearance of it has changed a little bit. And if you re-click again, so you can see in the properties palette, it has changed to basic roof. So this is just a quick introduction of how we can use properties palette. And in the last video, we also show project browser, right? So how we can use project browser. So in project browser, there are a lot of information already because this is already a fully developed model. So lots of stuff has already stored in the project browser. So for instance, if we like to look at the level 1 floor plan, you can double click that. That will bring you to the floor plan of this model. If you would like to take a look at the front porch of the 3D view, so you can click that, and that will bring you to that view. If you would like to take a look at the 3D model, the previous view that we just opened it up, you can click 3D. Now I'm going to show you how you can use project browser to make modification to your existing model. Let's scroll down to the bottom of your project browser. Find family and expand the families. Scroll down all the way to planting. Expand RPC tree, hawthorn 25 feet. If you would like to place this tree in this site, you can hold down to the hawthorn 25 feet and drag and then release in the site. So now you can see this is the hovering around the site. This has not been placed yet. So in order to place the tree in the site, you actually need to click and select the space location of this tree and click. So now this tree has been placed in this site. So if you see, you try to hover around, you can continue to place the second tree in order to release that, you need to click your right key in order to deselect the current tree that you're going to place, or just cancel, or just say using escape. Alright, so this is just a quick way of showing how you can use the properties palette and the project browser to make some modifications to your existing model. I'll see you in the next video.